Welcome back to English Card. Let's look at some homophones in this video. What are homophones? Homo meaning same and phone meaning sound. Homophones are words that are spelled different but they sound the same. And these kind of words can be extremely confusing when you're doing an IELTS listening test. Like the word accept and accept. How do you even know which is which? For that, you have to look at the context in which these words are used. The word accept means to receive something or undertake something that someone is offering. But the word accept means excluding something other than something. Anything except failure. I accept failure. The word censor and censor. Censor with a C means to block something or block someone from seeing something, like censor a part in a movie. While censor with an S means a device which measures something, a distance or movement. The word holy with an H means something sacred, while the word holy means fully or entirely. The words idol and idol. Idol means someone who's greatly admired, like a god or a pop icon, while idle means to stay still. Sit idle, sit without moving. With these kind of words, that is homophones, the trick is to look at the context.